Hey, is that really you?
Wait, oh my God, it is you.
I can't believe this moment.
How long has it been?
At least 7 years, right?
Yes, maybe even more.
You look completely different now.
So do you.
I honestly didn't expect to see you here.
Same here.
Do you come to this coffee shop often?
Not really, just today by chance.
That's unbelievable.
It feels like destiny pulled us together.
Maybe it did.
Please, sit down.
Thank you, I will.
Wow, this feels surreal.
I know, my heart is racing.
How have you been all these years?
I've been okay.
Life has been a roller coaster.
I can imagine.
What about you?
I've been busy with work, mostly.
That sounds like you.
Always hard working.
I tried to be.
I missed our long talks.
I miss them too.
We used to talk for hours.
Yes, without even noticing time.
Do you still live in the same area?
No, I moved a few years ago.
Really? Where to?
Just to a nearby city.
That's nice.
How is life over there?
Calm and quiet.
That's good for the mind.
Yes, it helped me a lot.
Do you remember our evening walks?
Of course I do.
Those were some of the best days.
They really were.
We were so full of dreams back then.
And we still have dreams now.
That's true.
So what are you doing these days?
I'm working in a small company.
Are you happy there?
Mostly yes.
Sometimes it gets stressful.
That's normal, with most jobs.
What about you?
I'm freelancing now.
Oh, that's interesting.
It gives you freedom, right?
Yes, but it also brings uncertainty.
Every job has its challenges.
You're absolutely right.
Are you still into photography?
Yes, very much.
That passion never left me.
I remember your old camera.
I still have it.
No way, seriously.
Yes, I kept it as a memory.
That's beautiful.
Memories are powerful.
They connect us to who we were.
Very true.
Do you remember our first trip together?
How could I forget?
It was a disaster but fun.
Yes, we got lost for hours.
And we were laughing the whole time.
Those were golden days.
I wish we'd stayed in touch.
Me too.
But life happens.
And people drift apart.
Yes, but finding each other again feels amazing.
It really does.
I'm glad today happened.
Me too, with all my heart.
So, tell me about your family.
They're doing well.
What about yours?
Everyone is fine, thankfully.
That's good to hear.
Do you still talk to our old friends?
Not much, only occasionally.
Same here.
Everyone is busy now.
Life changed so much.
Yes, but some feelings remain the same.
Exactly.
This coffee shop atmosphere is nice.
Yes, it's warm and calming.
I like the sound of the rain outside.
It makes the moment feel special.
Very special.
Did you ever think we'd meet again?
Honestly, no.
But I always wished it.
Really?
Yes, many times.
Hey, is that really you?
You were an important part of my life.
And you were important to me too.
I used to think about our conversations.
I thought about them a lot too.
They always made me smile.
Me too.
Do you still like cappuccino?
Yes, it's still my favorite.
You used to drink it every time.
Some habits never change.
What about you?
I'm still a latte person.
Just like before.
That makes me happy somehow.
Familiar things feel comforting.
Yes, they do.
Do you still write in your journal?
Sometimes, when I feel emotional.
That's good for the heart.
Yes, it clears the mind.
You always had deep thoughts.
And you always understood them.
That's what friends are for.
True friendship survives time.
Yes, even long silence.
I'm glad we reconnected today.
I really needed this.
Me too.
Life gets heavy sometimes.
It does.
And moments like this lighten it.
You're right.
Are you working today?
No, I'm free today.
That's perfect timing.
Yes, destiny again.
Do you want something to eat?
Maybe a small snack.
How about a croissant?
That sounds perfect.
I'll order it.
Thank you.
This feels like old times.
It really does.
Do you still like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Have you traveled recently?
Only a short trip.
Where to?
A hill station nearby.
That must have been relaxing.
Very relaxing.
Do you want to travel together again someday?
I would love that.
Really?
Yes, truly.
Then we should plan something.
Absolutely.
It will be like reliving old memories.
And creating new ones.
Yes, new memories matter too.
Do you still take long evening walks?
Sometimes, when the weather is good.
Evening walks help clear emotions.
They do.
Maybe we can take one together someday.
I'd like that very much.
You haven't changed much.
I hope that's a good thing.
It is.
You still have the same warmth.
Thank you. That means a lot.
And you still have the same smile.
Really?
Yes, it's comforting.
I appreciate that.
This reunion feels beautiful.
Yes, unforgettable.
I hope we stay in touch now.
We definitely will.
No more disappearing.
Promise?
Promise.
I'm happy we talked today.
I'm happy too.
This moment feels precious.
Very precious.
Let's meet again soon.
Yes, very soon.
Until then, take care.
You too, my friend.